We will have a quick overview of Google Gemini and its new features. Inside the text box or prompt box, there is a plus sign here. You click it, and then we have the upload files, add from Drive, and more uploads, photos, import code, and also notebooks. Create image, create video, canvas, deep research, create music, it's new, make audio tracks, guided learning, and also personal intelligence. And then here we have the Flash 3.1 flashlight is new, fastest answers, and 3.5 Flash all around help is also new. 3.1 Pro advanced math and code, and thinking level, which is either standard or extended. You may still use the microphone here. And on the upper right corner, there is a turn on temporary chat. Let's click. It says here, welcome stranger. Temporary chats don't appear in recent chats and are not used to improve Google AI. Stored for 72 hours for safety. Then you can click it again. You can close this. And on the left side, there is a sidebar. When you click the Gemini logo here, open sidebar, then it expands. And when you click it again, it's closed. Okay, under that is the new chat. And if you want to search chats and also videos, library, and gems. Let's check the settings. Personal intelligence, import memory to Gemini, usage limits, scheduled actions, gems, your public links, theme, or manage subscription, upgrade to Google AI Ultra, Notebook LM. So let's see the import memory to Gemini. Okay, this is actually you can copy the prompt into a chat with your another AI provider. So you can just copy this, then the answer, just paste it here. Then you add the memory. Import chats, you can import the chats. You can import your data from a supported AI provider and upload a zip file. So the max is 5 gigabytes directly to Gemini. And that's all. Thank you for watching.